Well, some people hate us. Most people love us. I ride bikes because this is what I love to do. This is what we love to do.
I'm Twisted 700.
I'm D Blocks.
Muhammad Blocks.
BMX.
We are the Cycle Squad Maniacs.
Bike life.
Cycle Squad.
Reporting live from New York City with the Maniacs out here.
All right, let's get it.
Go, Mo, go, 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 go. I ride every day.
So just moving around free through the city.
Harlem is always active.
Once you learn the streets and the light flows, like the green lights.
Flying. Yeah, I made up a few tricks, like walking on the bus or scraping.
Bikes is like a drug. It's too addicting. What if I try this or try that? And I end up doing it.
Yeah, it's pretty quick to get known in Harlem when you're doing something like riding bikes. When we come on right together, everybody want to ride with us. So we just post on our story, it's a ride out.
It's easy to set it up, meet up at this park this time.
Ooh, let's get it.
All right, we on 125th by the water. Meet us in the street.
Sometimes people think we're selfish because we're going to out the street, William. And it's not just for us, it's for the community.
Shut it down.
Shut it down.
For a little kid, we appreciate that we can actually slow the car down so they can ride in the street with us too.
Everybody wants to pop a wheelie.
Just some kid that wanted to ride bikes. Just keep doing it, don't stop.